So if your Poppo Live account has been banned or suspended, then this video is actually for you. And this video I'm going to show you how to recover it back. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So you're welcome to the channel. This is App Fix and In, and my name is Daniel. So the first way you can actually fix this issue is to check if it was actually banned for temporarily or it was banned permanently. Now if it is banned temporarily, then you can actually get it back easily. The first step you need to take is to stop that activity that actually led the account to being suspended. Now if it was due to VPN or multiple accounts, maybe you have multiple Poppo Live accounts, then you need to close all those accounts and use only one. Poppo Live is actually against such activity. But if you continue with that actions, it might actually cause your accounts to being permanently suspended. So you need to stop using VPN or multiple accounts. Another way you can actually fix this issue is to go to your Poppo Live account like this, then go ahead and click on the setting icon at the top right corner. So right here you can see where it says right here. In order for so the next step you can actually take to fix this issue is to go to your profile like this. Now scroll down like this and click on where you can see help. So when you click on help like this, you need to contact Poppo Live support team. So you can actually go ahead and click on report. You can see report at the top of the screen like this. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on message feedback at the bottom of the screen. So if you have a screenshot, you can actually add it right here and then type in a message like this. The message could be, hello Poppo Live support, my account was suspended and I believe it was a mistake. I have reviewed the community rules and I promise to follow them strictly. Please help me restore my account. Thank you. If you want this message, I'm going to actually drop it on this video description. Just type in a message like this, then click on this camera icon and add a screenshot of where they actually told you that your account was suspended. Click on submit and wait for 24 to 72 hours and they're going to actually give you a feedback. Do not come right here and start double sending them feedback. So once you send it once, you just need to wait for a while and you're going to receive a feedback from them. So one of the reasons why your account might actually be suspended is if you are using VPN or you have multiple accounts on your device, or you actually have suspicious gifting or faking activity, or you actually violate Poppo Live community rules. These are the reasons why your Poppo Live account might actually get suspended. So let's say after waiting for a while and you actually got a feedback from Poppo Live telling you that the account was permanently banned. If you have actually confirmed that Poppo Live is actually banned permanently, the only option you have is to wait or create a new account using the new device or IP. But this is actually after you have actually confirmed that the account is now permanently banned. So this is simply how you can actually fix and recover your banned or suspended Poppo Live account. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. I'm going to be uploading more Poppo Live content here, so if that is really your thing, do it, subscribe and hit notification bell. It is going to help you.